Do you often help your dad with the housework?
Yes, I help him clean the house every weekend.
Not quite. Say every weekend instead of every weekends.
Thanks, I help him clean the house every weekend.
I help him clean the house every weekend. Is your sister still living here?
No, she goes to a new school last week.
Try saying, she went to a new school last week.
Thanks, she went to a new school last week. She went to a new school last week.
What did your mom cook for dinner yesterday?
She cooked chicken and rice.
Actually, it should be she cooked chicken and rice.
Thank you. She cooked chicken and rice.
She cooked chicken and rice.
I read every night.
Do you like reading books?
Yes, I read every night.
Just say, I read every night.
Got it. I read every night.
I read every night.
I want to be a teacher. What do you want to be when you grow up?
I want to be a teacher.
Almost. Say, I want to be a teacher.
Yay! I want to be a teacher.
I want to be a teacher.
He stopped working last year. Is your grandpa at home now?
Yes, he stopped working last year.
Say, he stopped working last year.
Thank you. He stopped working last year.
He stopped working last year.
We go to the zoo. What do you do with your family on the weekend?
We goes to the zoo.
So close. Say, we go to the zoo.
Yay! We go to the zoo.
We go to the zoo.
He was so happy. Did your little brother like the picnic?
Yes, he was so happy.
Almost perfect. It's, he was so happy.
Thank you. He was so happy.
He was so happy. We had a meeting on Sunday. Did your family talk about your vacation?
Yes, we has a meeting on Sunday.
Try saying, we had a meeting on Sunday.
Thanks, we had a meeting on Sunday.
We had a meeting on Sunday.
My mom helps her every day. Who helps your grandma at home?
My mom help her every day.
Say, my mom helps her every day.
Okay, my mom helps her every day.
My mom helps her every day.